So how can we delete all content in our Google Sheets or Drive with just one click? Well, that's where the clear sheet function comes in, right? This node basically allows us to select, I'll pick another one just in case I delete it and we freak out. We select a table here, okay? We choose a page and it asks clear specific rows, columns, arrange, or the whole page. We can skip the option to keep the first row as it's usually the header for naming data. Yeah. Why would we want to delete an entire Google Sheet? Well, maybe cleaning isn't as cool as deleting the whole document, right? So we'd select document, delete, and then choose the document. We'll need to select it using variables, as selecting it again here doesn't make sense. We can delete it directly by ID or however we prefer, okay? Basically, this would delete our document, right? This way we avoid having extra files cluttering up the drive. Got it? Deleting tables isn't recommended. We lose info that could help us improve next time, or past reports on AI work done in the document, but it's an option if needed, so that feature is available.